You sign up for a free trial to track your fitness, then blink, and suddenly you're shelling out for a service you barely use. PocketGuard can be a budgeting lifesaver, but what if you're ready to, well, cut the cord? Maybe you found a different budgeting app, or maybe you're just ready to take control of your finances without an extra monthly fee. Fear not, fellow budget warriors. Canceling PocketGuard is actually a breeze, and this video will walk you through the process on both the mobile app and the web app. So, grab your phone or laptop, hit pause, and follow along to unsubscribe in minutes. Let's rewind a bit. Before we dive into canceling, a quick heads up: deleting your PocketGuard profile doesn't automatically cancel your subscription. You'll still be charged unless you take the proper steps. So, with that out of the way, let's get down to business. Canceling PocketGuard on the mobile app. Alright, open the PocketGuard app. Budgeting on the go? We see you. Now, take a peek at the sidebar menu. On most phones, it's that icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap that bad boy, and scroll down until you see an option labeled Billing. Give it a tap. Here's where the magic happens. You'll likely see an option called Modify Subscription or something similar. That's your ticket out. Tap that, and follow the on-screen instructions to officially cancel your PocketGuard subscription. Easy, right? Canceling PocketGuard on the web app. Maybe you're more of a desktop person. No worries, canceling through the web app is just as simple. Head over to PocketGuard website and log into your account. Once you're in, find the Settings tab. It might be tucked away in a drop-down menu under your profile picture, or it could be prominently displayed on the main screen. Find it and click it. Now, look for something called Customer Portal. This might be under a subheading like Account Management or something similar. Click that, and voila! You should see an option to cancel plan. Just like on the mobile app, follow the on-screen instructions, and you're officially unsubscribed from PocketGuard. Important note: no matter which method you choose, keep in mind that canceling your subscription typically stops payment at the end of your current billing cycle. This means you'll still have access to PocketGuard's full features until then. The wrap-up. So there you have it. Canceling PocketGuard on both the mobile app and the web app. We all know managing subscriptions can feel overwhelming, but hopefully, this video made the process a breeze. Remember, canceling a subscription is just one step on your financial wellness journey. There are tons of free budgeting tools and resources out there. Do your research and find what works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.